In this video, we are in Malacca, Malaysia, and we're going to try Malaysia's famous iced sweet dessert, Cendol Kampung Hulu with durian. It's going to be cooling and mouth-watering, so stay tuned.
Looks like you're in Spain.
Really?
Yeah.
They have all painted the houses.
No, Brazil.
Brazil?
Yeah.
It's like Venice, is it? Not Venice. They have painted all the houses with colors, which is very nice to look
Very
at.
Malaysian.
The place is called Cendol Kampung Hulu, located within Makan Avenue, Kampung Hulu, Melaka. This is one of the famous local food paradise in Melaka.
Come to the counter. Please come to the counter.
It's my first time trying Cendol mango.
It's nice.
Please come to the counter.
What do you think? You have to mix it first.
I like the crushed ice. Look at this. The crushed ice. It's really fine.
Fine.
See?
On your mouth. The ice is super fine. See?
Oh, hindi siya nagtutubig agad. Sarap kainin.
Is the mango sweet or?
It's sweet. And I like the ice. It doesn't easily melt. It's crushed. There's a mix of syrup, bean, jelly, mango. Really good for hot weather.
And that costs like 12 ringgit, right? Is it like worth it? Is it worth?
Yeah, actually it
Worth the
is.
budget? Oh. It's still creamy and then it's still like smoothie. Like smoothie.
It's like a shake now. See? Crushed ice.
I highly recommend you try this when you're in Melaka. The price is affordable and it really tastes very good, especially Cendol Durian D24.